Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. China and its authoritarian CCP government is now blinded with its imperialistic greed and power. In past, such authoritarian government has not only posed threat to the world but even damaged their own country and people. In the present geopolitical situation, where the world is fighting deadly coronavirus for more than a year, China has been fueling its expansionist hunger by intensifying the military activities and even conflicts with India, Nepal, Taiwan, US, Japan, Philippines, Malaysia, and in fact all the ASEAN countries. However, the recent conduct of China has shook the world and unveiled a dangerous mindset. Recently, Japan has published its defense white paper for the year 2021, where for the first time they have stressed on the importance of Taiwan for the peace and the stability of Asia Pacific region. Before this, Japan has never taken any clear instance on Taiwan. Japan has also mentioned that if Taiwan is attacked by China, it could join hands with the US-led allied forces to defend the island democracy. For your information, Taiwan considered itself as an independent state where China claims sovereignty over it and considered it to be part of One China policy. At present, there are only 11 nations that recognize Taiwan as a country. In past, Taiwan was included as a region in a map of China in the Japanese white paper under section Deployment and Strength of People's Liberation Army. However, in the new version, Taiwan is completely grayed out from the map of China and its combat theater commands, as you can see in the video. It is quite evident that Japan has sent a clear message to China that it does not consider Taiwan as a part of China. However, Japan has not officially denounced the One China policy. Now, this has hurt the imperialistic CCP government the most, and to an extent that it has threatened Japan of nuclear bombing. A recent video was released on Twitter showing that China will continuously bomb Japan until they unconditionally surrender. As we all know that Japan does not possess any nuclear weapon, and at the same time China is a nuclear power. China also accepts the no first use policy of nuclear weapons, which means it will not use nukes and will only use it when it is attacked by nuke. However, China now seems to be making exception for Japan on no first use policy. It is ready to use the nuclear arsenals on Japan if the latter tries to defend Taiwan. This is going to send wrong message over the other nuclear powers, especially to the countries like Pakistan, which will immediately pound upon such opportunity and can make exception on no first use policy against India. There could be another aspect of this video as well. China might be playing mind games with Japan to demoralize the Japanese people and military by threatening to attack using nuclear weapons, as Japan has already witnessed the disaster and havoc caused by the nukes in the World War II. We have already seen how China has been ramping up its nuclear stockpile and creating 100+ silos. Making exceptions to no first use is going to completely destabilize the balance across the globe and poses a grave danger to the entire humanity, because it's a nuclear bomb that China is talking about and not just any other weapon. It's a high time now that the world democracy must unite and have a clear strategy against China to curtail the expanding threat of the dragon. This is just not for the benefit of one country but the whole world and humanity. India should also denounce the One China policy and declare Tibet as an independent state which was forcibly occupied by China. India should also consider and recognize Taiwan as an independent country. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.